Today I'll be calculating sample and population standard deviation with variance in R. Suppose we have this dataset X consisting of 2, 5, 7, and 14. Control Enter. We can find the sample or population mean by using mean X. Control Enter. For the sample variance, we use VARX. And for the sample standard deviation, the function is SDX. Control Enter. Now, to calculate the population standard deviation, we need this formula. The content of the square root is the population variance, which has a numerator called sum of squared deviations. The deviation is x minus mean of x. We then square it to obtain the squared deviations. Next, we take the sum, and we have the sum of squared deviations. Let's call it SS. Control Enter. Now, for the number of observations or population size, let's use the uppercase N, and the function is length of x. Now, for the population variance, let's call it PVAR. It is the sum of squared deviations over N. And printing it, we have 19.5. We can thus obtain the population standard deviation by simply taking the square root of the population variance. Another way to obtain the population variance is to take the sample variance, multiply it by n-1 to remove the denominator, then divide by n to replace the denominator. We can then take the square root to obtain the population standard deviation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.